guys, it's Alexander Turnbull here. How are you? I am at the Long Beach show, the ISSE, which is the Salon Spa Expo 2020. Madison has come up and she said she wants to try a wig on. She said she's not ready to bleach her hair out too much and change it, but she wants a bit of a change. So I'm going to take your hat and I'm going to wear it and I'm going to go choose something for you. So
yes.
Do you want me to tell you what we're going to do or just surprise you?
Just do it.
Perfect. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. She hasn't seen herself yet.
Oh my god!
We could try it with the hat back on. Now look.
It's definitely fun. I love it. It's a lot of fun.
Have you had your hair long and curly before?
No.
No?
No.
So you pretty much always had this quite short? Nice.
Yeah,
nice. Which is a great experiment, guys, before, you know, somebody doesn't have to commit to growing it out or going for extensions, or if they like a bit of a change, that's great. And on it goes. There we go.
That looks good.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I do.
So do you want to grow your hair now?
Yeah. I want to have long hair.
This is Jordan, and she said she wants to try something different.
I'm open to doing different colors.
Push this over the top here. Have a look.
Oh my god. The purple matches the eyeshadow. Dang, I haven't seen myself with bangs in years.
So Jennifer has said that she wants to try on some wigs. You know, she's got great hair herself, but she wants to try something different. So that's what we're going to do, aren't we? Yeah, over we go. I'm just going to pull that far forward. The moment of truth, everybody.
Oh my god. Yeah. I can see myself in this color.
The wonderful Julie. So we're going to do something a little bit different. So when the girls are doing shows and they want a quick outfit change, it's so good for them to have different outfits and wigs and literally just throw it on and go.
Yes.
So that is exactly what we're going to do. Now look at that. A true professional. And here we go now. Now I actually really like this colour on you.
I do too. I really like this one. This is really cute. I really like it.
So you're going to try something on today?
Yeah.
And you want something completely different?
Completely different.
So let's put this forward. The moment of truth, people. There we go.
Oh my god. It's fun to see.
It's good for a night out. It's already curled, ready to go. You know, a lot of ladies like Chris, they're busy young professionals, they have a good social life, wants to go out and doesn't necessarily have the time to then curl it and whatever. So this is when the wig comes in. I've got something really fun.
Wow. I would never have the guts to do this to my actual hair, but I love that I can just throw it on and be a different person, different fashion.
Yeah. If you see this and you're interested in learning more about wigs, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, you know, message us at René of Paris. I'm here along with my team and the rest of the guys to ensure that you get the best possible experience from wigs, learning how to use wigs, knowing more about them. You know, it's a massive time for wigs right now, and we're going to be there for you. Bye.